Ever run into a situation where you desperately need a new phone, but your bank account looks like the Sahara Desert after a sandstorm? Let's be honest, traditional phone contracts can tie you down like a bad roommate, and paying the full price up front might not be an option for everyone. That's where services like Novo come in, offering a rent-to-own option that seems almost too good to be true. But here's the real question: can you snag that shiny new phone using your trusty credit card with Novo? In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of Novo and its payment methods. We'll crack the code on whether Novo accepts credit cards, explore alternative payment options, and shed some light on the whole rent-to-own phone game. So, buckle up and get ready to unlock the mysteries of Novo. The allure of rent-to-own phones. Imagine this: you smash your phone on a Tuesday afternoon. By Wednesday morning, you're scrolling through the latest phone specs, longing for that perfect upgrade. But a quick peek at your bank account leaves you feeling like Charlie Brown after Lucy snatches the football away. That's where rent-to-own services like Novo come in. They offer a financing option that allows you to snag a new phone by paying it off in installments, kind of like renting an apartment but for your tech gear. It seems like a lifesaver, especially for those who might not have the credit score for a traditional phone contract or the cash for a full upfront purchase. But before you jump on the rent-to-own bandwagon, there are a few things to consider. These services often come with additional fees, and the ownership of the phone might not be transferred to you until you've completed all the payments. So, it's crucial to understand the fine print before diving headfirst. Novo, your key to a new phone, or not? All right, enough suspense. Let's get to the real reason you clicked on this video. Does Novo accept credit cards? The answer, unfortunately, is no. As of today, Novo does not accept credit cards as a payment method for their rent-to-own phone plans. This might seem like a deal-breaker, but there's a silver lining. Novo offers alternative payment methods like debit cards and bank transfers. So, if you have the funds readily available in your checking account, you can still use Novo to rent-to-own your dream phone. Here's a quick breakdown of Novo's accepted payment methods. Debit cards, with sufficient funds. Bank transfers, ACH transfers. Exploring your payment options. While Novo might not be your credit card haven, there are other things to consider. Debit cards. If you have a debit card with enough funds to cover the initial down payment and subsequent installments, you can use Novo without any issues. Just remember, using your debit card means the money is deducted straight from your checking account, so make sure you have a good handle on your budget. Bank transfers. This option involves electronically transferring funds from your bank account to Novo. It might take a bit longer to process compared to using a debit card, but it's a viable alternative if you don't want to use your debit card directly. Alternative rent-to-own services. While Novo doesn't accept credit cards, there might be other rent-to-own services that do. It's always worth exploring your options and comparing different providers before making a decision. Be sure to read the terms and conditions carefully to understand any fees or additional charges involved. The final verdict: Novo and credit cards. So, to answer the burning question, no, Novo does not currently accept credit cards for their rent-to-own phone plans. However, they do offer alternative payment methods like debit cards and bank transfers. Remember, rent-to-own services can be a great way to get your hands on a new phone without the upfront cost, but it's crucial to understand the terms and conditions before signing up. Make sure you factor in any additional fees and ensure the phone ownership gets transferred to you once you've completed all the payments. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.